This week we're making my family recipe. It's pretty easy. It's one bowl. It's rum balls. You can also supplement it for vanilla or almond essence, or try and score rum essence from an IGA, but to be honest, very difficult. With these rum balls I'm about to make, I usually make a double batch because my family absolutely smash them over Christmas. It's one of those ones that you don't really get sick of, and it only has 5 ingredients, so it's an absolute winner. So all the things that you need are a packet of smashed arrowroot biscuits. So I put them in a food processor to smash them up. But if you have some pent up anger and you don't have a food processor, you can also chuck the whole packet of arrowroot biscuits in the Ziploc bag, hit it with a rolling pin until it's like fine enough. There's usually still a couple of chunks in there, and that's okay, it's still delicious. Can of sweetened condensed milk, cocoa, and there's a tablespoon of cocoa in there, and a tablespoon of rum. Obviously you don't need to use rum. There's rum in imitation, but it's quite difficult to come across in my experience. So sometimes what I will use is either vanilla essence or an almond essence, or really mix it up, whatever really goes with cocoa. Anyway, so all I'm going to be doing is chucking the crushed arrowroots, can of condensed milk, cocoa and rum into a bowl, and then I'm going to be rolling it in desiccated coconut. So that's what I'm going to do now. And we're just going to chuck it on medium. I've got 2 baking trays here, one large, one small. The small one's just so I can pour some coconut into it, roll the balls, and then chuck up onto the big baking tray to cool in the fridge. So I've lined it. This one's more important than this one, but this one saves washing up. So just a bit of a even little spread over here. So I've just grabbed a soup spoon and just, getting this sort of size in the palm of your hand, roll it around, and then we're just going to roll it in the coconut. If it is a little bit sticky, because that happens, just chuck it in the fridge for a little bit to harden up until it's like a consistency that you can easily roll without it like getting all over your hands. But overall it is like a bit of a messy recipe to make, but it is worth it. This is not the final product because we are going to refrigerate this because they have melted. We're going to leave it for like maybe 20 minutes, come back, roll them again. Not in the coconut or anything, just like to reform them. And then we'll come back with the final product. Okay, so these are the cooled rum balls that we've had before. They are now able to actually be rolled spherically, so I just reform them. I find that they're best presented in a little bowl of some description. And that one we love. That way as well, you can just cover them and keep them refrigerated because I'll keep them warm. Easy.
Always.